para sa kaopisina kong tsismosa. Minsan nagugulat na lang ako sa mga kwentong may anak na pala ako. O kaya, kabit pala ako ng boss namin. Di naman ako na-inform na may nagdedesisyon na pala ng kapalaran ko. I want to call you out and file a complaint against you. Pero I realized na you don't deserve the attention. Alam mo bang it's a waste of time to draft a complaint na you can never comprehend dahil chismis lang ang kaya mong intindihin. It's a waste of paper to print it and a waste of breath to talk about it sa HR. People like you are just so bored with your own lives. So you try so hard to find excitement sa buhay ng iba to the point na gumagawa na kayo ng plot twist para lang maging thrilling. This I say to you, although it takes a lot of me to do this, I will not allow you to overpower me because you are not worth it. Ako si Vivian and I've learned yung Byaheng Restraint. Grabe naman yung linyang, alam mo bang it's a waste of time to draft a complaint na you can never comprehend. Parang ang sakit. Pero alam mo, nakakatuwa yung ganyan, Vivian. Sabi nga nila, di ba? Kung sa tingin ng ibang tao na mahirap yung pumatol sa iba, yung makipag-argue sa iba, makipagsigawan sa iba, makipagtalo sa iba, mas mahirap po yung task na magpigil. Kasi you know you have all the reasons to act out, to lash out, because you think that you don't deserve and it's not fair that there are certain people like these mga chismosang to that roams around freely, drafting stories na ginawa nila sa mga utak nila and putting a smear sa pangalan mo. Kumbaga, sa utak-utak mo, it's not fair that you get to do the things you guys do para makapaghasik ng negativity sa mundo, and I have to control myself. I have to show discipline. I have to restraint. 'Di ba? Para sa paglalash out ko sa inyo or para ipinpoint yung mali ninyo. Pero my love, the reason as to why you wanna do this is exactly what Vivian said. Because they are not worth it. 'Di ba? Parang it's a waste of your time, your energy para pansinin pa tong mga taong to. If you know well in fact na yung mga kinakalat nilang chismis ay hindi naman totoo. If you know well in fact na yung stories nila won't hold kasi wala naman silang proof, wala silang basis, walang evidence to support their story, then might as well just let it go. Kasi my love, whatever it is na pinagkakalat nila sa mundo, it says more about them than you. Ikaw na walang sinasabi, ikaw na hindi nagre-react, ikaw na nagiging professional, ikaw na nagiging kind genuinely, ikaw na hindi talakera, ikaw pa rin yung paniniwalaan ng tao. And those people na time and time again has proven kung gaano ka baseless yung mga stories nila, kung gaano ka senseless and pointless yung mga lumalabas sa bibig nila. Pinapile lang nila yung evidence against them nang sila na lang ang gumagawa. You don't even have to lift a finger para sirain sila kasi they can do it on their own. So my love, kapag alam mo yung mga taong to ay nagkakalat ng mga storyang hindi naman totoo, hayaan mo na lang sila. If that's where they draw their happiness, kung yun yung source and fountain nila of feeling good about themselves, then so be it. Kasi at the end of the day, alam natin na kung ano man yung source or fountain of happiness na yon, it's all fictional. Sa head lang nila yon. It will burst like dust. Ganon kabilis, ganon kadali basagin yon. Because again, wala siyang foundation. Nothing but stories that people tell kapag bored sila. Wala silang magawa. Wala silang maharap na mas importante pa kesa pag-usapan yung buhay ng iba. But you just continue doing what you do. If you know that wala namang basis yung mga sinasabi nila, kung alam mo naman sa sarili mong it's not true, do not waste your time. Do not waste your time with these people. And do not even bother explaining to them what they are doing wrong. Kasi they already know that. Alam nila yan eh. Alam nila kung ano yung totoo sa hindi. Kasi sila yung nagkakalat ng mga storyang yan eh. But even if they do, they are choosing to do the wrong thing. So explaining things for them or to them, again, will just be a waste of time. So be like Vivian. Take the higher road, my love. Uulitin natin. Whatever they do, whatever they say, if negative tong mga taong to, it says more about them than you. So do not waste your breath. Claro? Claro.